guys, I'm here with Frankie today.
What's good?
About to put on the work emotions on the IS300 today. Yeah, man, it's been a long day. I've been ceramic coating these. I just put on the new center caps. About to put the fronts on right quick.
I see.
So yeah, man, stay tuned. All right, first one's going on.
Careful. Don't fuck up the rim. Ooh, that sound good.
Damn,
son.
So jealous right now. I see.
First one looks good, man.
You probably gonna have to like paint the calipers now.
Yeah, at this point, I'm gonna probably, even if I just get new silver, like stock color, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah, that'll look way better.
Yeah.
Yeah. That
yeah, off camera y'all didn't see, but yeah, we just had to take the other caliper off and it's pretty fucked up.
Yeah.
We had to force it back in there.
It works. We're gonna get new ones, so don't worry.
Woo, it's gonna have a little bit of poke.
Let me see.
Maybe once it's on the ground. I think it's gonna look fire though.
That look fire, just
Yeah,
like
bro.
hanging right there.
I'm glad I went with the 8.5 in the front.
Ooh, I told you. Yeah, let's get these fucking wheels on so we can go for a ride. That's the point. But no,
Brand new wheels.
Larry gonna put the wheels on, just put the car in the garage and be like, yeah, you know, I did my job. Winter's coming, you know, like. Formula D. The Formula D shit.
Yeah, man, let me know what y'all think about the shit box. You know what I'm saying?
Look up garage. They like your shit box, bro. Oh yeah, like y'all, we ain't been on here, so like y'all don't know, like Larry got fucking a new IS with some work wheels on it, and I got like 4 ISs at the house and a SC and a 240. So
Yeah. Oh yeah, a quick update on the FRS since it's out.
yeah, I gave him a couple shots of it.
See, I got the lift kit on there.
Yeah.
TRD replica kit. It's kind of going through some things. I got to reinstall the back right side, but yeah, man.
Yeah, this food got some nice shit. I'm just so proud of him. He just keeps getting dope shit after dope shit. Still ain't had no fucking kids. He's doing great. For all the subscribers and people out there that ain't got kids, I'm so proud of you motherfuckers.
My back,
Yeah, that happens.
my neck, and my back.
Oh.
I'm suing for $150,000.
We could sell out of court right now for $20.
Man, get your punk ass up. It ain't even wet over here.
Fucking Larry ass. Taking forever, man. He could have had these ones on last month for real. We ain't been to no events this year.
Hey, we about to go.
He said we about to go. That boy photogenic. Look at him, y'all. Motherfucking shit. Motherfucking beard glistening and what the fuck
Hey,
going on? This
That's
nigga,
some nutrients.
that nigga put all juice in that motherfucker. Big beard.
All right, let's bring it down. Hopefully everything sits. I don't gotta adjust the coilover, but we're gonna see.
Yeah, we gotta get the jack stand. Should be good. Let it on down. If it's gonna hit in when it turns. It's fucking icy. Is it all the way off?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, that's icy. Once you turn the car on, oh well, you gotta tighten it down first.
Yeah. Hey, that ride height is fire.
Yeah, bro.
Now the question is it gonna rub while I drive it? That shit looks so.
Yeah, that's why I was saying if we can turn the wheel, but you got you gotta tighten them up before we turn the wheel. Then once we tighten them, we can turn the wheel. We can really see if it's gonna rub. But for right now, bruh,
Motherfuckers is good.
it look like a motherfucking finger, just a finger.
And really,
He needs
some milk.
the fitment is still like, you know what I'm saying? It ain't too aggressive to where it's gonna be like.
Yeah, I mean, it ain't got to be a credit card up in that motherfucker.
Right, that's what I'm
destroying
saying.
your fucking fender.
I mean, shout out to my credit card niggas.
Yeah, I mean, shout out to everybody that like this thing and shit. We ain't mad, but you know what I'm saying? We like the
You
clean.
know, I gotta drive this motherfucker to work. So.
Yeah, we live in St. Louis. This is not
bro.
California, bro. This is not Miami, my nigga. This is fucked up middle of America. But our roads are better than Illinois, so we do thank Missouri for that. Yeah, that's fucking great, for real. It look even better over here for some reason.
21.
There go my other one. And my crazy one.
IS300.
Yeah, IS number 4. A lot of IS's. Go to the outside. Oh man, that looks good.
So we moved on to the rear. I gotta take these spacers off for the stock wheels. And then yeah, we can throw the Hot Boys on. So we just putting on the final touches on the rear wheels. About to put the center caps on. Yeah, shout out to Driftworks. You know what I'm saying? That's where I got these from. They got a good deal on the center caps. So. I ain't see that. All right. I think they look good.
Look at that ugly little dude right there. Yeah, that dude look fly as fuck. Check out the Instagram. Fucks with the Instagram and subscribe. Subscribe.